Heavy.
Want a hand? Here, look. Okay, ready? Yeah, just get started. You pull. Okay, pull. 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 Oh, this is great. Wow. Look at my first words. Oh, this is great. It's a nice small book. ABCs. Colton, look. What's that? What's that? Anini. What's that? Apple. What's that? It's a baby. Baby. What's that? A giraffe. What's that? It's a fish. Oh, that's great. Look at colors, first words, numbers, shapes. Oh yeah, I knew I wouldn't be able to put that back. Fish, yeah. Cup, yeah, it's a watering can, but. You want me to take out another one? Another book. What does that say? What is that? What's that? It's red. It says stop. What else is in here? Let's see. Oh, blue. Blue. Red. Oh, that's great. Oh, nice and thick. Yellow. Well, look at, what's that? Is that a banana? You're in awe? Green. A balloon. Orange. That's, there. Yep. Words. And numbers. This is great. One drum. Two shoes. Two shoes. Three fish. Four feathers. Fish. Fish. Yep. What are those? Balloons. Yep. Yep. 6 balloons. What are those? Oranges. What are all these things? Socks. There's one more. Look. Shapes. That's a good one too. All gone. Look at, we got more. Look at. Eileen and Bobby got you more. You want to pull this one? Colton, pull. 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 Oh, he already sees what's in it. Oh, that's great. A SpongeBob toothbrush.
Papa.
And it's an electric toothbrush. He always steals ours. Goes around the whole house with it. Look at, yeah.
Is that a toothbrush?
Look at, oh. Colton, look at this one. Here's another one. You want to pull? Colton, pull. Pull. Look at, I see something yellow. Pull. Pull. Body wash. Look. I was wondering what was in this gushy one. Who's that? Pop Pop. SpongeBob. You're all decked out in the bathroom. Hey, look. Another one. Colton. Colton, look. Look there. Who's that?
Outside?
Pull. Pull. Oh. Who's this? Colton, who's that? Patrick, who's that? SpongeBob, who's that? Gary. You're so smart. Look it. One more. Look. One more. Here, huh? Okay. That's a tough one to get open. I'll help you with that one. Here, just pull this. Pull. Pull. Colton, pull. You like that toothbrush? What's this? Soft puzzle. Oh, that's cute. Big textured pieces. 4 of them. You got a puzzle. You don't have a puzzle yet.
No.
Thank you. Can you say thank you? Thank you, Eileen and Bobby. Thank you. I think yep, toothbrush. We're gonna have to get batteries put in there. Batteries, yeah. Look at all this loot.